Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn counting in Arabic from 11 to 20. We make these numbers by adding ashara as suffix. The first number is ahada ashara. Ahada ashar. Ahada ashar. Number 11 is known as ahada ashar in Arabic. उर्दू में इसे 11 कहते हैं. The next number is इतना ashara. Ithna ashara. In Arabic, the number 12 is known as Ithna ashar, and in Urdu, it is known as Bara. The next number is Thalathata ashara. Thalathata ashara. In Arabic, the number 13 is known as Thalathata ashar. उर्दू में इसे 13 कहते हैं. The next number is Arba'ata ashara. Arba'ata ashara. Number 14 is known as Arba'ata ashar in Arabic. उर्दू में इसे 14 कहते हैं. The next number is Khamsata ashara. Khamsata ashara. In Arabic, number 15 is known as Khamsata ashar. उर्दू में इसे 15 कहते हैं. Number 16 is known as Sittata ashara. Sittata ashara. Sittata ashar. In Arabic and in Urdu, it is known as 16. The next number is Sab'ata ashara. Sab'ata ashara. Number 17 is known as Sab'ata ashar in Arabic. उर्दू में इसे 17 कहते हैं. In Arabic, number 18 is known as Thamaniyata ashara. Thamaniyata ashara. Thamaniyata ashar. उर्दू में इसे 18 कहते हैं. The next number is Tis'ata ashara. Tis'ata ashara. Number 19 is known as Tis'ata ashar in Arabic. उर्दू में इसे 19 कहते हैं. The last number is Ishruna. Ishruna. Number 20 is known as Ishrun in Arabic. उर्दू में इसे 20 कहते हैं. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.